Hello mga kalindog! Good morning! This is again Roha Briner, ang inyong alindog. Lipstick lang ang katapat. Today vlogs is we're going to cook the risotto with mushroom. And then we're going to mukbang. Ayan guys, almost done na my risotto. I show you guys ha. Masarap siya. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and tap the notification bell para you're always notified with my new video. So, ayan guys, pakita ko sa inyo.
Let's sing a song full of hope, full of pain. Why don't you sing along, my friend? For it's our last refrain. Forever young, never strong, ever brave. Memories like this never end. No, they don't fade.
Mga kalindog, ang ating risotto, almost done. Ayan, diba? With mushroom. Diba? Ang ating risotto. Ayan, guys. So, pakita ko naman sa inyo, I will show you guys ang ating prito. So, diba? Masarap kumain ng risotto na mayroong fried fish. Ayan, guys. I show you my fried fish. Ayan, I'm here outside. I'm cooking. Ayan, mga kalindog. Beautiful weather. Ayan, of course, there. Pakita ko sa inyo ang prito, guys. Okay? There we go, mga kalindog. Ang ating fried fish. Ayan, malapit na rin siyang maluto. At magmumukbang tayo. We're going to eat. So, ayan. Pwede na natin siyang off. Let's turn off. Ayan, mga kalindog. Diba? Yummy yan. At ayan, mga kalindog. Diba yung prito natin luto na. We're going to eat. Ayan, beautiful weather. O, diba? Ang ganda-ganda. So, ayan, mga kalindog. Pasok na tayo sa loob. I'm gonna get some plates and I will go get my prito. O, ayan, diba? Guys, kakain tayo. Masarap kumain, right? At ang ating risotto almost done. Ayan, guys, ang ating risotto is almost done. Kakain na tayo. Wait, I show you better. Yan. So, ngayon lalagyan natin siya ng cheese, guys. Masarap ang risotto na maraming cheese. I love the risotto with more cheese. Ayan, I'm gonna put this cheese, guys, oh. Masarap siya. Para siyang, this is like what do you call this? Na may amag, but it's really yummy. Ayan, guys. Let's put. Ayan, diba? At of course, haluin lang natin. Kaya mga kalindog, o diba? Ating risotto. Itong risotto almost also done, mga kalindog. Diba? Kaya mga kalindog, pakita ko sa inyo, diba? Really yummy! O diba? Ating risotto, at lagyan natin ng parmesan cheese. O diba? Para mas masarap siya. Kaya mga kalindog. So, gamitin muna natin ang ating fish. Let's get our fish outside. Baka masunog yun, guys. So, this is almost done. Mga kalindog, ang ating risotto. Let's taste na. Ayan, guys. I think 4 minutes. More 4 minutes. Ayan, para luto na siya. So, I add a little bit more water para masarap, guys. Ayan. So, hayaan lang natin siya mag-in or we're gonna cook better. So, ayan. Let's cover, mga kalindog. Ayan. 4 minutes more. So, kunin na natin ang prito sa labas. Okay? Kaya mga kalindog, luto ng ating fried fish. Kunin na natin siya. Ayan, diba? Yummy. Ayan guys, upakita ko sa inyo kung gaano siya kasarap. Ating fried fish. Hindi ko makuha. Kaya mga kalindog, nakuha ko na ang prito. Let's eat. Come on. So, there we go, mga kalindog. We're going to eat. We're going to make mukbang today. Ayan, let it start. And of course, ayan guys, ang ating fried fish. Ayan ang ating isda. And of course, ang ating risotto. Ayan mga kalindo. Risotto. May yummy risotto. Ayan mga kalindog. This is a mushroom risotto. Oh guys, look. Kita ko sa inyo ha. Wait lang. Ayan. This is too much. I cannot eat all. Ayan. I cannot eat all. But we will see. Charot. Ayan guys. So, ayan guys, I show you my risotto. Ayan, there we go guys. O, diba? Yummy. So, ayan guys, we're gonna eat or we're going to mukbang this risotto and fish. Of course, meron tayong coffee. O, diba? Para yummy. So, ayan mga kalindog, I miss you all. I'm so busy biking, you know mga kalindog. Busy sa pagbabike. But anyways, ayan. Thank you for always there. Ayan guys, let's eat. Oh my God. Sarap nito mga kalindog. I will close first the window because it's cold. So ayan. Ayan mga kalindog, ang sarap. Let's taste first the risotto. Ayan sarap mga kalindog. Taste na taste talaga ang mushroom. You really taste it, the mushroom. Talagang super. But of course, ang isda, fish. Oh my God, guys, ang sarap. Grabe. You know guys, wait. As I told you always, life is too short, di ba? Kailangan enjoy natin yung ating life. Let's eat always good food if you want, even expensive or cheaper. Important is to like it, go buy it and cook it. Ayan guys, enjoy our life, di ba? So ayan, kaya ako guys, I really love eating. Ayan. Yummy. And you know guys, doing cooking this rice or the what do you call this, the risotto is almost 1 hour. So if you really love eating or you really like spend cooking, so just the love of being you have a passionate to cook cooking, you know. So ako talaga, me, I really love cooking guys. Gusto ko talaga magluto. I really do love cooking. So that's why even 1 hour, 2 hours, I don't care. You know, ganun lang naman talaga eh. If you really want good food, you need to be worth it for that. No, parang you're planting and then later you have you can harvest, o diba? In the Philippines, you can say pag may tinanim, may aanihin, o diba? So that's why guys, ayan, tiyaga-tiyaga lang talaga sa pagluluto. You need more love, you need passionate, and you have what is geduld for cooking, you know? Yan. Your cooking is really good. Yan guys. Di ba ang risotto? Patience is always a key of success. O di ba? Patient. You see, if you're really hungry, if you want to be successful, you need to be patient. Love. And give always love, patient with your work. Di ba? Ang sarap guys. Really yummy. So ayan guys. And of course, coffee, my favorite. Today, what time is it? It's almost 11 guys. This is already my breakfast and lunch. My breakfast and lunch. Ang sarap guys. Promise. And your fish is my favorite really. Ayan. Paborito ko talaga seafoods guys. And rice. Ayan. Enjoy food. Harap ng fish. Diba? Even you're alone, kahit na mag-isa ka, you see, masarap pa rin kumain. Charles, so, diba? Enjoy lang natin ang ating buhay, o diba? Buhay abroad. Diba? So, ayan guys. I try to finish my fish dahil I'm only the one who eat only this guys. Nobody eat here. Only me. Victoria and Douglas, no, they cannot eat this guys. Bawal sa kanila. O diba guys, ang OA ng pagkain natin, ayan. Almost done. Ang sarap. Grabe. Really yummy. Diba? Exaggerated. I have fried fish, you see? And of course, the risotto. O diba? Very heavy. But anyways, this is only one already my meal for a day. No more dinner. Sarap guys. So ayan guys, oh. Ang sarap kayang kumain guys. Ayan. Malapit din namin sa tapon. Yummy. And of course, Victoria's here asking. Ang sarap talaga. So ayan guys. Let us say hi all. Ayan. Hi everybody. Ayan. Wait lang. Let us finish guys the coffee. Coffee is also yummy. Ayan mga kalindot. So ayan. Yummy guys. Diba? Ang sarap ng isda guys o fish. O diba yung isda o fried na fried siya. Alam nyo, I like the fried fish is when it's really croquant. Ayan, pag talagang fried na fried siya. And of course yung ating risotto, diba? Ang sarap guys. Kasi talagang they really taste. Lasang-lasa ang mushroom. Girl, all the mushroom. Ay. Ang sarap. So, ayan. So, thank you everybody. Baker's Talk, always there. Mami, Miss D, Nikki's Journey, Pia Lee, My Car, ayan si Joel, si Kuya Eloy, and Ann, and everybody who's always there with me, and Valentine, not on. So ayan guys, I'm almost done. So by the way, guys, I have also the fruit. Ayan, ang ating sweet. Ano ba tawag dito sa Germany? This is the Nachtisch. You know, Nachtisch. I want sweet, okay? O dessert, o diba? So, kailangan natin ng, of course, kasi sa Italy naman ang tawag dito Macedonia, guys. Sabi ko na. So, pag merong ganitong Macedonia or merong ganitong sweet dito sa Germany, of course, we need some, ayan, some heavy cream or pana or the cream, okay? So, ayan guys, meron tayo ditong machine, ayan. At meron tayong oxygen, ayan, oxygen para siya ay maging cream. So, I'll show you guys kung paano i-gawin itong ating slug sana or ang ating heavy cream. So, ayan guys, oh. This is only 79 cents, I think, or 80 cents. Ayan, sa Italy, ayan. Ay, sa penny. Guys, namamali-mali na naman ako, as in, ayan. Ganyan talaga kapag nagiging older. So, nabablock. So, ayan guys, I'm gonna put 2 pieces of heavy cream. Ayan, mga kalindog. So, kasi masarap siya. Masarap to sa Macedonia or sa salad, sa fruit salad. Ayan niya, fruit salad nga pala sa Pilipinas kung tawagin niya. So, ayan. So, nandito na siya ngayon, guys. At, ilagay na natin ang oxygen dito para, ayan. So, ganyan, guys, ha. So, ayun. In-insert ko na. Insert ko siya here. O, ayan. At takpan na natin siya. So, ayan guys. Let us close it. Ayan. Kailangan talagang, ayan, no? And I show you mga kalindog. Wait lang. Ito yung kanyang pinaka, there, o dito guys, sa pinaka, kasi meron siyang para siyang star. Para kapag in-spray ninyo, ang labas niya is my design. So, ayan. Diba? Kita ko sa inyo mga kanito. Ayan. So, ready. And now, we need to put now the oxygen. But be careful guys. Kailangan naka-taob siya. It need to be like that. O, diba? Ayan. So, here. Pakinggan ninyo. Did you hear that, mga kalindog? Ayan. So, ang oxygen is already there. Ayan. Ang lamig niya. It's so cold. Getting cold, guys. O, tingnan nyo, o. Nag-moisture na siya. Dahil, ang oxygen is too cold. At ayan, pakita ko ngayon sa inyo, guys. Ayan, kain tayo ng fruit salad. So, ayan. Let's mix only like this, mga kalindog. Mix natin siya para maging cream siya. Yung heavy cream. Ayan. Kapag or when you don't hear or feel no more is inside, it's like, what do you call that? Nagwe-wave inside. So, it means it's ready na siya. So, ayan. So, let's try mga kalindog. Okay, ayan. Ayan, mga kalindog. I show you. O, diba? There we go, mga kalindog. O, diba? Beauty. So, ayan. Let's enjoy our salad or ating dessert. So, ayan guys, meron akong diba? Laki-laki kasi nun. Ayan guys. Ang sarap. Yummy talaga. O, diba? Yummy, yummy. So, ayan guys. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Bye! Thank you for watching. Ayan, I need to finish this. And thank you. I hope that you enjoy my video. And I enjoy also my food. So thank you guys. Thank you for always support. I love you. See you. Bye! Don't forget to smile.